Hi guys, just thought I'd do a little unboxing of the Neptune selection box by Evolution Fireworks. It's got a total NEC count of 514. Just thought I'd get into it and have a little look at some of the pieces. Got the Apollo rockets, 3 of them. Total of 10.7 in these. I've not actually fired this box before, but I can't see it being too bad with obviously being made by Evolution. Some of their products are really good, so should be an alright box. What have we got here? We've got some Roman candles as well. The North Star, and yeah, both North Star. Low NEC, 3.2 is 8 shots as well. We've got Storm Fountain. And that is 55 grams. It's a battery of fountains, so it's going to have more than one, I should imagine, in there. It feels quite heavy, but obviously it's only 55 grams of NEC. This one as well, same count, 55. Probably be virtually the same, I should imagine. Got a little comet cake here. It's a battery of mines. 72 grams of NEC. A little cake. Got some shot tubes, Red Dwarf. 9 grams of NEC. Again, not really fired any of these yet, so let's see what they're like. Should be alright. Cake here. Nova 9-shot barrage. 56 grams of NEC. A lot of spacing in that though. Seems a shame when they do that. They could have put something else in the box. Just make this a little cake and just put an extra piece in there or something. But I'm sure it should still be pretty good quality. As I say, Evolution Fireworks are pretty good, so. Got a Mercury fountain, 18 grams of NEC. One little tube in there. Astrid, 18 grams. That'll be the same again, one tube in there. Solar Flare, 24 grams, battery of fountains. Should be a couple of tubes in there then. Same as this one. Flare Star, 24 grams. Again, it feels pretty weighty for 24 grams, but got 2 fountains called Milky Way. 40 grams NEC. Battery of fountains again. Feels like there's more than one tube in there. And then we got the last little cake. That's quite heavy actually. Only 56 grams of powder in there though. But feels a little bit weighty. See, I don't know why they couldn't have made that on the same size really. In there, to be fair, but yeah, it should be alright, this little box. Not sure when I'll be firing it yet. Might try and do it for New Year's or something, but I'll try and get some videos up on it because I haven't really got many of me actually lighting the fireworks, so I'll try and get some and put them on. But I've got a little bit more of a stash to show as well, so I'll do that on the next video. Cheers guys.